Okay, good evening. Let's talk about our English phonetic class. Today, I will go to explain about phonetics alphabet. My name is Darlene Caterina Garcia Angulo, and this is the unit number 1. The topic is vowels and consonant sounds. Let's start with the first. First of all, that is vowels. Okay, we have the sound about vowels. The vowel number 1 is a. You can pronounce with at, father, hat, and body. We have other vowel that is out. You can pronounce with out, loud, daughter, coat. The other vowel is e. E. You can pronounce said, head, says. Other vowel is e. You can pronounce hit, be, receive. Other vowel is if. F. You can pronounce hem, beam, women. The other vowel is a. You can pronounce have, but, at. Other vowel is o. You can pronounce love, blood, and trouble. Other vowel is o. Of. You can pronounce sofa, about. Other vowel is u. U. You can pronounce book, could, pool. Other vowel is ur. You can pronounce born, journey, and wharf. The last vowel that we are going to talk about is trow. Is u, excuse me, u. And you can pronounce through, blue, and do. Now, listen the consonants. The consonants we have z. You can pronounce dine, redoubt, smile. Next consonant, next consonant is you can pronounce watch, anti, tip. The other consonant is v. You can pronounce value, of, love. Other consonant is you can pronounce staff, enough, fun. The next is you can pronounce beg, shop, abandon. The next is you can pronounce pen, snap, replay. The other consonants that we have is g. You can pronounce gap, exhibit, fog. The other consonant is k. You can pronounce quite, back. The other consonant is s. You can pronounce thanks, filthy, with. Other consonant is you can pronounce bother, this, and that. Others you can pronounce ice, some, axe. The next is you can pronounce lazy, flowers, polish, ocean, issue. That's all. Thank you so much for listening my presentation.